Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Supermaven, Tabnine and VSCode. Supermaven, Tabnine and VSCode serve different roles in AI coding. Supermaven delivers lightning fast, inline AI code completions that enhance coding efficiency. It is ideal for developers seeking a smooth, autopilot-like coding experience. The tool integrates seamlessly with popular IDEs like VSCode and IntelliCode. However, its support for programming languages is currently more limited than some alternatives. On the other hand, Tabnine prioritizes privacy and team collaboration using AI trained on open source code. It is well suited for enterprises or developers needing secure, context-aware suggestions. The platform supports multiple languages and offers offline models for enhanced control. Some users feel its suggestions are less advanced compared to Copilot or Supermaven. Meanwhile, VSCode is a powerful and lightweight code editor developed by Microsoft. Although not an AI tool itself, it supports AI assistants like Copilot, Tabnine, and Supermaven. It is highly customizable and supports a wide range of programming languages and extensions. Its performance can slow down slightly when running many resource-heavy extensions. In my opinion, Supermaven is best for speed, Tabnine for privacy, and VSCode for flexibility. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.